I will teach you how to rank for high competition keywords. Now let's just say we go into the SEMrush, and here let's just go and get the competitor. Let me just find the domain overview, and here inside the domain overview, let's just put our website. Okay, so let's just put the competitor website, which is, for us, it's going to be serverseo.com, and then choose the country, let it be worldwide, click on search. Once I hit the search, we have got every single detail right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down for the top organic keywords, and here let me just click on view details. Now once I go into the top organic keywords by Surfer SEO, we have got everything. SERP features, organic. Now let me just go here and look at the SERP features. Okay, it's still loading, so let's give it a time to load and go and look into the SERP features. And here we have every position, so organic search positions, keyword intent position, and we have got the SERP traffic volume KD. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter this KD to low to high. Very easy. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so first I'm just gonna focus on ranking for this keyword. That's how we do it. That's how you do it. This is a trick. Use it, guys. By the way, I'm using Evolve to write my SEO blog articles and automating my blog articles. I didn't even, it's 2026, so this AI automates everything for me, including writing and finding keywords and publishing to the WordPress.